Hello, what is phosphoric acid? We use it on a day-to-day basis, yet not a lot of people know what it is. Phosphoric acid is a clear, colorless crystallized acid that has 4 oxygen atoms, 3 hydrogen atoms bonded to one phosphorus atom. Phosphoric acid has many uses, one of which is the ability to remove rust. When you add phosphoric acid to rust, a chemical reaction occurs that turns rust, Fe2O3, to 2Fe-PO4, a substance easily dissolved by water. The reaction is simple. When Fe2O3 is combined with 2H3PO4, the molecules then break apart to iron, phosphorus, oxygen, and hydrogen atoms. Since oxygen has a slightly negative charge, it tends to attract a positively charged hydrogen atom, forming H2O, as we all know, is water. This leaves the rest of the iron atoms and phosphate atoms combined into 2FePO4. Phosphoric acid can be found in a number of different applications for industries to use, such as soft drinks, soaps, and toothpaste. In soft drinks, the acid provides sharper flavor and slows down molds and bacteria that will multiply in a sugar solution. In toothpaste, phosphoric acid is used to help remove plaque from our teeth. We also use phosphoric acid to manufacture phosphate that can be used as fertilizer, which provides energy for most of the chemical reaction that occurs in living cells. But there is a downside to this wonderful element. It can cause a number of different harmful effects to your body, some of which includes eye, skin, and internal body burn. But worst of all, it can cause loss of bone density. Since bones are made of collagen, calcium phosphate, and calcium carbonate, phosphoric acid can break these molecules apart, especially calcium, and slowly leach away from the bone. This type of harm to your body might lead to bone fracturing, which is not good. There are 2 main ways of producing phosphoric acid: wet process and thermal process. Thermal process goes like this. You take 4 phosphorus atoms with 5 oxygen gas molecules and use combustion to rearrange those atoms to form 2P2O5, which is a solid. You will again use combustion to take 2P2O5 and burn it with 3H2O. The molecules will then break apart into the phosphorus, oxygen, and hydrogen atoms and rearrange to form 2H3PO4. The wet process is, however, a much more difficult and costly process that includes elements such as calcium, phosphorus, oxygen, hydrogen, and sulfur, which use far less phosphoric acid. For this reason, businesses are only using the thermal process to gain more profit. But even though the economy could potentially benefit from this process, the environment will be affected as well. The excess chemicals used in this process and the byproducts of the chemical reaction will be dumped into the water, thus polluting the water with harmful chemicals that will harm the animals living in the water and those that drink it. Thank you for watching.